Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic tenses. And this tenses, how to form a present simple and when to use a present simple. This one we have to do know now. First person singular I, second person singular you, third person singular he, she and it. Then first person plural we, second person plural you, then third person plural they. Then look at these sentences. I walk to school every day. They play football on Sunday. They are in the present simple tenses. Then how to form a present simple? First and second person singular forms. Verb. First one is verb. I swim in the river. In the sentence you see swim is the verb. You read the newspaper. Read is the verb. Then all plural forms. Verb you see. We walk to school. You ride your bikes. They study English. Study and read. Okay, these are the verb. Then third person form he, she and it. So in the third person singular, for he, she, it pronoun, we have to add verb plus s. For example, he walks home, verb plus. She plays hockey, play plus s. Okay, for third person singular, he, she, it, we have to add verb plus s. Then verbs ending in a, yes sound. Verb plus es we have to add in the third person singular form. He misses his wife. She teaches English. Then verb ending in a y, okay, preceded by a y, a consonant, spy, fly, envy, worry and etc. Y becomes changed as ie. Okay, for example, he spies on his neighbors. Spy changed as spies. She envies her cousin. Envy changed as envies. Then first and second person singular form, do plus verb. First person and first and second person singular form. Do I need a ticket? Do need. Okay, do plus verb. Then all plural forms. Do we make the birds ourselves? Do you ride your bicycles? Do they work? So do work. Okay. In the third person singular form, he, she, it, does plus verb. Okay. Does he ride his bike often? Does ride. For he, she, it pronoun we have to add does. Okay, students. Okay, first and second person singular form, don't, do not plus verb. Okay, don't. Okay, it means do not. I don't need a ticket. In the negative form, you don't speak English. Then all plural forms you see, do not plus verb. We don't walk to school. You don't ride your bicycles. Okay, but third person singular form you see, he, she, it takes doesn't plus verb. Okay, students, this is very important. He doesn't clean the house. She doesn't cut her hair. He doesn't work on batteries. Okay, doesn't for he, she, it pronoun you have to use it for things that happen always, every day, constantly, etc., regularly, often, frequently, etc. Sometimes it means occasionally, rarely, etc., never. For these words, I play football every Saturday. He regularly visits his aunt. Then we rarely go shopping in London. They never work late on Friday. For facts, the sun rises in the east. Sun. Okay, facts. Okay, if it comes, okay, we have to use verb plus yes. Then the bus schedules means the bus leaves at 6 o'clock. The train departs from platform 2. Okay, present continuous. Present continuous means it takes verb plus ing. How to form a present continuous? When to use a present continuous? For this one, to be. Okay, it is continuing. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. So the first person, second person, third person, we are, you are, they are. It takes am, is, was, are, were. In the present continuous, we have to take a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, students, present continuous. A consonant, vowels are A, V, I, O, U, and the consonant, all other letters B, C, D, etc. Okay, except A, E, I, O, U. Then look at these sentences. I am talking on the phone. We are cooking dinner. They are in the present continuous tense. Okay, students. To be plus verb plus ing. In the present continuous tense, to be plus verb plus ing. We have to add this for the verb plus ing. For example, I am working late. We are talking too fast. He is watching television. She is walking to school. It is raining. Okay, so am, is, was, are, were. It takes verb plus ing. We are singing a song. You are doing your homework. They are looking for a hotel. Verbs ending in an e. Okay, if it is ending in e means okay, take, make, etc. For example, I am taking the bus to school. He is making dinner. One syllable ending in a consonant means preceded by a vowel. If it is comes like this, double the consonant. That's all. Right, student? Sit, get, then run. I am sitting outside. Double T you see. Then you are running fast. Double N will come. Okay, double consonant, students. It is getting late. We are letting ourselves go. They are swimming in the river. Present continuous in questions. Okay, if it comes in the questions means to be plus verb plus ing. For example, am I getting close? Are you running late? Is he taking a bus? Is he playing tennis? Is it snowing? Then to be plus verb plus ing. Are we going in the right direction? Are you arriving by ferry? Are they eating their lunch? Okay, so question verbs, starting with the question verbs. Then to be plus negative. Okay, we are going to know that negative form. I am not waiting for you. Negative form, you see in the sentence, you are in looking for me. He is in sleeping late. She is in talking on the phone. It isn't freezing. Okay, negative form, students. Then in the second person, we aren't putting up a tent. You aren't speaking at the same time. They are in cutting paper. And the third form of the third singular verbs, okay, singular and pronouns, things that are happening now. Okay, so present continuous means things that are happening now. For example, I am watching television at the moment. Okay, present continuous tense. Am plus watch plus ing. It is raining right now. Is plus rain plus ing. Then for plans in the near future. Okay, so future, I am flying to Dubai next week. He is meeting her at the airport in an hour. Are they moving this weekend? Okay, students, near the future. Okay, that's sentences we are using now. Present perfect. Overview, how to form a present perfect and when to use a present perfect. These questions we have to ask. Good to know. To have, singular. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. So for the third person singular, we add he has, she has, it has. Otherwise all the pronouns have take on have only. Regular verbs, irregular verbs. These okay, these have two types, irregular verbs and irregular verbs. Look at these sentences. I have painted the door yellow. Have painted. They have paid what dinner themselves. So they are in the present perfect tenses. Have plus paid. If okay, so in the sentences, if we have or has plus participle, past participle, verb plus ed, we have to take, and past participle means verb plus ed. So you see, students, in the present perfect tense, we have to add Okay, I have worked there. He have listened carefully. He has cleared the table. She has placed it on the floor. It has snowed. So have plus verb 3. Verb 3 means third form of the verb. Have plus participle verb plus ed. We have walked to school. You have watched. Have plus. Okay, so if we have have in the sentences, we have to add verb 3 only. Past participle only we have to add. For he, see, it. For verbs ending in an e means live, close, okay, vibe, etc. I have lived here for some time now. He has closed the window. So has plus verb 3. Have, has, okay, if we have in the sentences, we have to add verb 3. Okay, for the present perfect tense. Then verbs ending in an y. Okay, if it is ending in a y, reserved by consonant spy studying, y becomes changed as I. For example, he has spied on his neighbors. Has plus v3. Irregular verbs you see, have or has plus participle. Unique present perfect form. For example, I have built that shed with my own hands. Own 2 hands. Okay, to build. I have built. Then she has bought some flowers at the market. To buy. We have run the marathon. To run. To run changed as have run in the present perfect tense. Okay. For regular verbs, have or has plus participle verb plus ed. Has he talked to him at? Have you kicked the ball? Have they ever worked on a farm? These are in the question form. For irregular verbs, have or has plus past participle, unique present perfect form. You see, has he quite her job yet? Have you ever driven? Have driven. Have paid. Okay, students, start with the question form. Okay, question verb. You have to change the verb as verb 3. Have or has plus not. Okay, haven't, hasn't. Changed as haven't. Have plus not changed as haven't. I haven't listened to the eyes. Haven't means negative form. These sentences are in the negative form. For irregular verbs, have or has plus not. Haven't or hasn't plus past participle. Unique past perfect form. She hasn't quite her job. To quite changed as hasn't quite. To drive changed as haven't driven. You see in the sentences. They haven't paid for dinner. To pay changed as in the negative form haven't paid. Okay, students. For things that happened in the past, but it is not important when they happened. It is represent the present perfect in use. I have been to Scotland. Okay, students. They have decided to buy a car. Okay, students. For things that happened in the past, but it is not important when they happened. Okay, students. This is the meanings of this present perfect. For things that started in the past that have continued in the present. For this also, we are using the Bob and Jack have known each other for ages. So have known, you see. They have lived there since 2011. For since, for the prepositions, if we see in the sentences, you can automatically select have plus v3. For, it, never, ever, just, already, since. So these conjunctions, okay, prepositions, we have to add conjunction and preposition. Okay, conjunctions we have to add. I have lived there here for 3 years. You see, for preposition, then at, ever. Okay, these are the preposition we have to add. Present perfect. Okay, verb plus v3. Then present perfect continuous. This rule is subject plus have or has plus been plus v1 plus ing plus object. Okay, this is the rule for present perfect continuous. To have, good to know, singular. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. Like present perfect. But the verb is only changed. Plural, we have, you have, they have. For the present perfect continuous. Next one, look at these sentences. I have been working a lot lately. Okay, have been working. It has been snowing since Friday. It has been snowing. Has been snowing. Okay, has snowed changed as has been snowing. So verbs are the changes. Have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. This is the rule for present perfect continuous. For examples, I have been walking all afternoon. You have been listening to the radio for the past hour. He has been sweeping the floor all afternoon. She has been spending a lot of money lately. It has been raining all week. Have plus being plus verb plus ing. We have been playing computer games all night. You have been searching for a supermarket. So for the third person singular and plural, we are using these sentences. Then if it is verb, if the verb ending in an e, live, mat, close, wipe, etc., drop e, we have to remove that e and add instead of that ing. I have been living here for quite some time now. It has been make changed as making. Then wipe changed as wiping. Okay, students. Then next one, have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. For this one, we are going to add has he been talking about him. This sentence is in question form. Have you been playing tennis? Have they been doing their job? Okay, we are going to see negative form present perfect continuous. Okay, in negations. Negations means negative form. I haven't been listening to the news. She hasn't been waiting for you for 1 hour. They haven't been paying attention. Haven't been negative form. For activities that started in the past but have continued in the present. Okay, so the past started but have continued in the present also. We are continuing. I have been traveling for a few years. You see this sentence, I have been traveling means the verb is continuously. Okay, so continuous, the continuous form. They have been working as a chauffeur. Okay, so in these two sentences, so past started and the present continuing. So only we are using present perfect continuous for things that happened in the past, but it is not important when they happened. Okay. The past was the past situation happened, and it is not important when they. She has been visiting her aunt a lot. They have been repairing the car. Then for things that are annoying, I have been doing your dirty laundry all afternoon. They have been playing loud music all night long. Okay, students. I sent a worksheet for you. You complete the worksheet and send the answers to your concerned subject teachers. And if you have any questions from these tenses, present tenses, you can ask your teachers. Okay, thank you, students.